Welcome aboard. Recently, Telegram bots have become quite popular. I'm sharing some of these bots that might be important with you. In this video, I will talk about a new Telegram bot where you can earn money just by tapping. Let's get started right away. MemeFI has recently created a Telegram bot that has garnered a lot of attention. You can find the links to MemeFI and other Telegram bots in the description section below this video. After clicking the link, press the play, earn button. This will bring up the Telegram bot. By tapping on this bot, you can earn points. As you earn points, you can level up and unlock other levels. Right now, I'm in the stats section and I want to see the details. Over 7 million people are using this application, and on the right side you can see my ranking. I created a new account to show you. That's why my ranking is low. But I will level up this account. By clicking the invite button, you can invite your friends. This will be quite advantageous for you because you will earn extra points. By clicking the Earn button, you have the chance to earn more points. Go here and complete social media tasks. The most important button is the Boosters button. Here, you can upgrade your account. By spending points, you can get a bot, increase your tapping power, and raise your energy level and energy speed. It's similar to the TapSwap bot I described earlier. Here, there is a Turbo Attack button. This is a great feature that increases your tapping power. It provides extra power to my bot for 10 seconds. I'll use it now and you'll see what changes. Yes, as you can see, I'm in turbo mode now. By using this mode, I'm earning more points. Normally I deal 3 damage, but with turbo mode, I deal 30 damage. You have 3 turbo mode uses per day. Make sure to use them. Besides turbo mode, there is a button to recharge your energy for free. You can use this 3 times every 24 hours. Increase your points and level up. As you use these features, you'll earn more points. If you want, you can create your own clan. Use my invite code and activate the bot. It's hard to predict how much reward each project will give. So, try your luck. I hope this video has been helpful for you. For more similar content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.